Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Very boring price action on the BNB chart. You will remember that we have been counting this decline here into the June lows as a third wave of a larger C wave of wave 2. So ideally we would like to see one more low to complete this pattern. Let's zoom out a bit to give you an understanding of where we are looking at the bigger picture. This is the movement that you can see on the chart of the June 22 lows. I give it a chance still to rally in a bullish fashion. However, it would not be good if we get a sustained break below 230. So the next Fibonacci support that I would expect to be reached is 208, which means that, okay, look, we can drop to that level, but ideally recover very quickly. If we get a sustained drop below 230 or even worse below 208, then it could go quite quickly down to around about 140, 150 in the red wave count, which is a bearish one. Yeah, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and so on. It would go down lower. And that would be potentially bearish because it would attack the long-term Fibonacci support on the long-term chart. However, at the moment, this could still end in a bullish scenario, highlighted here in, well, yellow and white actually, where we rallied in a wave 1, came down in an A wave, moved up in a B wave, and now we are in this C wave. The C wave, again, an ending diagonal, unfortunately. You know that they are boring, annoying. But these ending diagonals, they are choppy. So one more low in this ending diagonal and we could complete a wave 2, a wave C of 2, and then we could take off. But it is important that we avoid a sustained break below 208. Now looking at the micro level, we had off this B wave high, a wave 1 to the downside in 3 waves. As you can see, it's a 3-wave move, not a 5-wave move. So I'm counting that as an ABC. We had a wave 2. The wave 3 can be counted in a corrective fashion as well due to the number of subwaves here. This here is a wave 4 and one more wave down would be ideal. That's why I'm counting the wave 5 as an ABC structure as well, because we're dealing with an ending diagonal. I'm sure you can't hear the term ending diagonal anymore. I certainly can't stand it anymore, but it is what it is. So my take is that BNB is really primed for a drop now. I know it is choppy. I know it hasn't dropped yet. I know it's very stubborn, but it can still do it. And in the absence of any clear impulsive setup for higher, I'm going with the local trend, which is currently down. We've got a descending trend line, which is not broken to the upside. We've got an ascending wedge, which is potentially at least at least short-term bearish, which hasn't been, well, which actually broke to the downside. Price retested the trend line from below, and we have seen quite a bit of a rejection. I think all that we need now is a break here on the micro level below 235, that micro support, and then a sell-off below 230 could really start the sell-off party down to 208. Looking at the Fibonacci extension levels, I can take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and that could take us here, the 1.618, yeah, extension level could take us into this region down here. Surely I cannot rule out that it goes just to the 1-to-1 ratio, but then we wouldn't get a clear wave 5. I would like to see a low below the 12th of June low actually, which was 221, to get a clear completion of a potential ABC structure in wave 5. So that's what I'm watching for. I mean, it can certainly chop further sideways into the middle of August or so, but at some point I think a decision will be forced, because this descending trend line, I think, has some meaning. So yeah, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.